co-main event of the evening. Pavlovich and Alister Overim.
It's ridiculous.
89th pro fights.
Possibly looking to throw some knees into the midsection or bring the head down.
Pavlovich for the full 15 minutes.
Two Kimura's rear naked. I mean, a variety. Oh, big right hand into a tie clinch. Nice takedown from Overim.
Overim averages 1 knockdown per fight. Pakistani fighters, but he's no
The finish is here.
A big shelling here from Overim, and he gets the finish he's been looking for. Alister Overim rights the ship.
Demolition Man back in the wing column with that. Adaptations to his game from working with the punched his way into a clinch there, beautiful outside, pushed Pavlovich, beautiful hammer fist through the guard, and immediately Pavlovich covered up, and then Overeem starts to pick his shots.
By TKO, Alister Overeem.